Oh, she scared the fuck out of me.
Back again.
You scared the shit out of me.
What's that sound?
Ah!
What the fuck's the baby? Wait, I scared you? Oh, I'm out of ammo. I scared you?
Yeah? You spawned out of thin air right in front of me. Where do we go?
Up or straight? Oh, okay. Up.
Fully run.
Marcus.
Fully run. Fully
Marcus
run.
is back.
Run, nigga. Run, nigga!
Where is he?
I don't know.
Alright, let's move along. Let's keep going this way.
Jesus Christ.
What?
These noises. We both ran right back down. That shit was actually funny as fuck.
I heard his ass.
Why
I
did
see
they
him.
make that?
I see his ass.
We gotta run. Oh, step back.
Huh?
Where is he?
You see where I'm standing? It's right there. Gotta make sure I'm reloaded.
Well, I don't get too close.
Dead.
Holy shit. Oh!
That dude was eating bullets. Daddy, you think you try to be sneaky, huh?
Yeah.
I see you up there. I saw you, bro.
Yeah.
I literally saw you float up and go to that corner. Oh! Daniel! 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 Daniel, shoot him! Oh! Daniel, you killed me. Don't, Daniel, don't die. You were so close to dying.
Dude, I can't aim.
You spawned in, started shooting. I saw you float away. Holy shit, bro.
Oh god, it's so scary.
Don't go. Yeah, I'm sorry. I have no ammo.
I'm dead.
Damn, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Damn, I'm stuck.
I'm dead. He's coming. Simon's coming with the shotgun.
You actually did?
Yeah.
No. I don't have an ammo. Oh! I'm gonna do the impossible, Daniel.
What'd you do?
Said I'm gonna do the impossible.
Oh.
Where are you?
I saw your light next to the stairs.
Fuck you, Simon!
You're right there.
How do I revive
Hold E.
you?
Hold E. Hold E.
Got you! You're gonna kill his ass!
Where's Simon?
He's out the stairs. Downstairs. He's on the stairs, downstairs. Dude. Beating him up. Nice. Watch out! Behind you! Damn, my only weapon is this fucking branch. Ah! Oh my
Jesus.
god. Holy shit, he was too close. I'm gonna die. Need ammo bad.
Does that sound like Mario to you?
What?
Wait, hold on. Ready?
Oh. Dude, help, help.
Where you at?
Handstand people just killed me.
You what, nigga?
Where you at? Yeah, in this room. Where you at? What the? What the? Who's screaming?
Oh.
Darren, did you see that shit?
Yeah. On the roof.
I'm down here.
Where you at?
Down here? What are you doing up there? Wish these guys dropped stuff when they died. What? Did you open that?
No.
Huh. Alright, what are you doing down here? Daniel?
What?
We're flying.
Oh! Oh!
We died.
Alright, I'm not touching that anymore, I promise. That nigga's lurking on some booty cheeks.
Hell yeah.
Alright, it's 5. So I gotta enter the value. I hate this. 5. Yeah.
Don't kill me! No, he killed me!
Who did?
Chainsaw man.
Bully?
Yeah. He's
Where
on
is he?
He's on my body.
Is he just standing there?
Yeah.
You spoke. Where are you, Pulley?
He's dead.
How'd you get back alive?
So fuck yeah, respawn.
Oh. Crazy.
I was like debating not to because I was gonna lose my weapon. Holy shit, like this is just like the other level where he kept dying over and over again.
Badass.
Hold on. No.
What is that? Wait, what is that?
I need help.
Where are you?
I'm trapped.
Where you at?
I'm in that room. Remember where I died by the upside down people?
Jump, Pulley, jump!
What do you mean jump?
Jump!
The door's locked.
Who's that?
Wait, hold on. You gotta take off these hacks.
Wait, so why is the one that makes me go crazy? What if I press this one? Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Get on the fence! Get on the fence! Wait, no, this. Oh, wait. I don't think I'll die off this. Like, it's just slow gravity.
Oh.
That's how
You're like, what happened
The
if I
other,
do
the other
this?
one, it's because I pressed Y and then I pressed X immediately. Yeah, I just put straight down, but this one's like. Okay. Now I know Z. If I'm gonna die, I'm like, oh shit! Tree?
You're the tree.
Right. I'm gonna axe.